G'day, Kev here from Ozponds. This is Tim's pond, built right in his townhouse courtyard up in Brisbane. He's part of the Pond Formulas Blueprint community, where members share their projects, ask questions, and grab a bit of help from my videos, the manual, and even the KevBot, the AI pond helper. Tim didn't have much space to work with, just a narrow patch down the side of the house. But he made every bit count. You can see how he started carving out the shape, planning a small pond connected to a compact DIY bog filter. He used a simple barrel bog filter, the kind I show in many of my videos. It's also one of the designs that's featured inside the blueprint. He's also created a little DIY skimmer, and again, that's something that's shown in the blueprint. Basically, water gets pumped through the gravel where beneficial bacteria do the hard work, and it's a perfect low maintenance setup for tight areas. Once the plumbing and gravel was sorted, Tim started blending everything in with rock work and native plants. He's done an amazing job with the rock work and adding a few logs. He's got some ferns and also some climbers that'll cover the fence. It's a beautiful natural looking pond that he hopes to have some small Aussie natives in. He's got the soft trickle of water, natural rock edges, and the water picked up a bit of a tea colour from the branches, but that's just tannins, totally natural, and it actually helps give it that wild creek look. Tim's own words said he couldn't have done it without the videos, the manual and the KevBot, which is exactly what the blueprint's about, helping everyday people design and build a pond that looks great, stays clear, and doesn't cost a fortune. So if you've got a small space like this and you want to bring a bit of nature into your yard, check out the Pond Formulas Blueprint at ozponds.com. And thanks to Tim for sharing this with everyone. I hope it inspires you to see what's possible even in a small area. See ya.